These are the Ettore Pro Plus Series extension poles. They are available in 8 different sizes ranging from 2 feet to 24 feet. They are available in a 3-section configuration like you see here, or available in a 2-pole section like you see here. These poles are constructed of a very high quality aluminum alloy. The walls of this pole are 40% thicker than your typical extension pole, and because of that they are a much more rigid pole. You can put a lot more pressure on them, a lot more flex, and they will take that abuse. If you're doing other services in addition to window cleaning, such as gutter cleaning, it's an excellent pole for putting a lot of pressure and abuse under those circumstances. These poles are fitted with a Pro Plus Series tip, which has a standard 3/4 inch thread on them, so you can screw on any attachments such as gutter scoops, cobweb brushes, or even paint brushes, anything with a standard threaded end on it. In addition to that, Ettore has come out with a locking button. It's a safety mechanism, so you can use any Ettore Pro Plus tool, such as their T-bar series or Squeegee handles and scrapers, and they will actually lock onto this, so they will not separate if you were to hit a ledge or a gutter or what have you while you're doing your cleaning process. So that is a good thing to have, so your tool doesn't fall down and do some damage to any vehicles or anything down below, and also save your tools from potentially breaking on you. Now, this is a Ettore Pro Plus squeegee handle, and it has a hole built into it, so when you stick this onto the pole, this button will actually lock in and prevent this handle from falling off. Same goes for the scraper. This is a Champion 5-inch Pro Plus scraper. It will also lock in on this pole and prevent it from falling off accidentally during use. Now, you can use other tools, any brand of squeegee or T-bar on this, and it will simply snug fit onto this, and that's okay. That's the traditional way these poles were designed to be used. This is a Ettore brass fixed handle that is not equipped with the Pro Plus label and does not have a hole built in it, and it will simply still slide onto this tip and snug fit on there, and you can still use that tool properly. Now, these poles, when you are tightening them and loosening them, this is a key point for you and your guys out in the field. The biggest problem with any extension pole is guys over tightening these collars and thus wearing out these collars and preventing your sections from tightening properly and locking into place. You can simply just turn these maybe a half a turn at the most, and that will allow you to adjust this pole, and then simply just about a half a turn or so, maybe a little bit more depending, but you don't really need to crank down on these, because that's the first thing that's going to go bad in these poles, is guys over tightening these things. But the good news is these collars are actually sold individually, so should that happen down the road, year down the road or what have you, you can replace these collars without having to replace the entire pole. These poles come with a nice solid grip for comfortability, and I highly recommend these poles. They are a very good pole, manufactured by Ettore Products and available at CWC Supply.